Now, the hospitality sector. Lillian Carrier gives us the details of the takeover of Azure Hotel by Pride Inn Hotels and what stakeholders in the hospitality sector feel is the elephant in the room.
Barely a week after South African hospitality group Tsogo Sun announced that it was folding its Southern Sun Mayfair Hotel in Nairobi, a takeover is taking place within the hospitality sector as players look to synergize strengths in a tough business environment. Pride Inn Group of Hotels is set to acquire Kenyan-owned Azure Hotel by the close of 2020 in an arrangement anchored on a revenue-sharing management contract which will see all staff retained.
Knowing that the investors are very busy with their other businesses and especially they are more specialized into the industry and manufacturing, they were finding quite a challenge in terms of managing best of both.
Competition in the hospitality sector has been choking up older hotels who are grappling with the entry of new players and expansion by established brands. Jacaranda Hotel is set to be auctioned tomorrow of an unpaid loan of 253 million shillings. Boma Hotel has been placed under receivership for what is alleged to be failure to repay loans owed to the National Bank of Kenya.
A convention center is what is going to do the magic in Kenya. A cost of putting up a convention center would hardly be 25 billion shillings. The biggest benefit of increased growth in tourism is that the government is pushed to invest in road and infrastructure very quickly. We know revenues are going to grow exponentially. Big Four agenda gets fulfilled automatically. Employment is on the rise.
The Pride Inn brand brags of giving a local touch at lower value. They, however, say the negative publicity facing the sector is shaking up investor confidence and thus giving hospitality business a hard time. Lillian Carrier, NT.